What's up, team? It's Tiara B, naturally. And in today's video, I'm so excited to show you guys my 2-week update with my extensions, my mini twist extensions. And y'all, I'm trying to leave these things in as long as I possibly can so I can see all of my growth, you guys. Because not sure if you know or not, but in June, I took a major setback with my hair doing wash and goes. And so now I'm on the road to recovery. And it was looking good last month, but this month I'm coming for my inches for real. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys my 2-week update. I am pretty impressed. I've been using my Blessed and Healthy Temple oils. I've been doing scalp massages. I've been doing the inversion method, and yeah, guys, my hair is doing pretty well. So look, so here we are. Excuse my nails because it's time for me to get a new set. I'm trying to get them off, so don't worry about that. But look, so this is my middle part that I initially put in, and then I also had the side part situation going. You can't really see the side part too much until I kind of pull it apart, which is the goal. I want to get to the point where you can't see no parts. That means my hair is growing well. But if I had to guess, I would say my hair is probably gained at least a 1/2 inch, I would say. This first one I think I had to redo. But if you look at some of the ones I haven't had to redo, that's not bad for 2 weeks at all. I'll show you guys some different areas. This is my edges for now. I didn't lay them for the sake of this video. But I'm getting some pretty good growth. Still got a ways to go on the edges for sure, but this is what we're looking like. Here's in between some of the parts. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. Part of me feel like the back is growing faster than the top part, which makes sense because the back of my hair is longer than the top of my hair. But nonetheless, I'm excited because we're getting somewhere. I have not washed these yet, but I want to give you guys a 2-week update before I wash them. I usually wash my hair every week, but for the sake of trying to preserve these as long as possible, I skipped wash day last week. Yeah, so now that this video has been filmed, I'm excited because I can go ahead and do my wash day or whatever. And I'll take you guys along on wash day for my extensions as well. So look out for that video. But yeah, that's pretty much where we are. 2 weeks in, still loving them. The goal is at least a month. But honey, if I can go a month and a half, even 2 months, and still be able to take care of my scalp and get the growth I'm looking for, I will if I can. I'm gonna try because it took me like 6 to 8 hours to put these in, so I'm trying to get everything I can out of these. Okay, anywho, hey, listen, I'm Tiara V and I am out. Blessings.